Today's video is gonna be kind of different. It's been like a long time since I haven't uploaded. So today I'm just gonna finish making my little lamb ears. I just used like a headband and glued. So yeah, I just glued this ribbon around the headband and like I glued these cute ears really like low because since it's meant to be lamb ears, they had to be like super low. It looks kind of dumb right now, obviously, but once you put it on, it's gonna look cute. I decided to make these lamb ears because I want to create a cute makeup look, like super extravagant and soft and pastel, you know, with these ears. Soft. I was already making them, but then I stopped for a moment and I'm like, I should just film this, you know, while talking about life and stuff. So some ribbons right here to make us bow. I have this pink lace so I could put around the headband. Life is really stressing right now for me because there's just been a lot of troubles, you know, like I'm not gonna get into it, like I'm not gonna be all weird about it and sad because I don't want to be like that, you know. Stressing a lot lately over personal reasons and it sucks. So I decided that I'm just gonna take a breather, you know, and just relax, you know, just make me some lamb ears. So yeah, I wish I could just get a job, you know, like I've been applying to a lot of places because obviously I can't make a living off of YouTube just yet. I need more recognition for that, but I've been trying to look for more jobs like to work, you know, because a girl needs money, you know, for my own stuff, my own car already. Want to help my fam, you know, basic stuff. And then school starts pretty soon. September the 8th for me. I don't know about you guys, but school is starting really soon for me, and that kind of sucks because I'm not really prepared for it, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Like I don't know if I'm gonna be in front of, like, you know, video FaceTime or whatever the fuck it's called with the teachers. I don't want that, you know, like you know, if it happens, I gotta deal with it. So yeah, I'm just putting this little lace around the headband. It's cute. It's pink lace. And I'm just gonna hot glue gun it like that. Honestly, man, society is hectic right now. Like, it's terrible. It makes me sad because I need balance in my life, you know, and everything just feels so out of order, so chaotic. This is with me. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Oh, I know what to do. Look at me. So it looks like this so far. Oh my god, what is this? Apply some glue to the rest. Check. Okay. Glue it before it dries. Why am I so airheaded? I burnt the crap out of my finger. Look at this. Why do I have to be an air sign? ¿Por qué? Porque soy así. Damn, that was painful. I've never felt that kind of pain before. Jesus. I just want to be outgoing, you know. I want to be like those kind of girls that are just so outgoing and like, hi, and like, you know. But that's just not me, man. Not right now, at least. I'm just so out of it lately, and it's just not good, and it's not okay. It's fucking shitty. Okay, so that took me like a whole ass 5 minutes just to glue this, but it's cute. Oh my gosh, like that, and it's adorable. I'm gonna glue this where the ears are, like to create this long, oh shit, little effect thing. I'm gonna make a knot. So I'm listening to Mac DeMarco right now. He's one of my all-time favorite artists. I find that his music is just so melancholic and it's so soft and it just relaxes the crap out of me, you know? It's, you know, it's what I need at a moment like this, some tranquility. So there you go, there you have it. There is long ribbons drooping down. Okay, I don't know what to talk about, man. Like, I'm I'm not used to this kind of stuff. I'm hella introverted. That's not really cool, you know? Like, it's annoying to be this way because I'm just all awkward and like quiet and I don't know what to do. And that sucks. It's just, you know, it was time. It's time to make a new video. I don't know what to say. Like I said, man, like life has been so stressing. Fuck! Why do I sound so dumb? Lately, I haven't been feeling so creative. I have not been feeling creative with myself at all, to be honest. And I guess that's why I haven't done a video lately. It's like I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what kind of makeup looks to create. What is this? I don't know, man. Like, I'm just so drained in so many aspects of my life. I have problems. Just like everyone, you know? I think so sucky. So, okay, right now I'm just making a little bow using my gingham. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's cute, right? Okay. You see that? It's super cute. Making the bow. So there's the little bow, and it's going to be applied right here. Just let me make the, yeah. This is gonna help me make a cute ass look. Like now I'll be creative with my work. I'm a pretty small YouTuber, right? Not many people know me, but you know, the little support that I have right now, it means so much to me. It really makes me super happy. It literally excites me every time I gain a new subscriber. It makes me super happy. It's like, whoa, they appreciate my content enough to subscribe to see more. It makes me feel worthy. It makes me feel like appreciated, I guess. I don't know, man. It's just, point is, it makes me super happy. So I love every single one of my supporters, honestly. Even though I don't personally know you guys. Even though I don't personally know any of you guys, I still really, I appreciate the support that I receive on my channel. Because I'm a really small YouTuber, you know? Like I said, one day I just want to make a living off of YouTube, even if it's just a little bit. Because I got my own struggles too, you know? Just like everyone else. And you know, I just, fuck, what am I doing? I haven't done the bow yet. Like I said, thank you guys for supporting me. It really means a lot. I'm being genuine. I might be dry or serious or strange even, but I really appreciate every single one of you guys. I said that so many times already, but yeah, I do. Like, I genuinely do. You guys are the reason that I have motivation to get up and create content, because I know a lot of you guys would like a lot more consistency, and I'm sorry I haven't been giving that to you guys, but I promise I'm gonna try so much harder to like get my ass up and film more stuff for you guys. If you subscribe to me, just know that it makes me super happy, and you guys are the reason that I'll grow, you know? And I'll remember every single one of my early subscribers, you know, like my first subscribers, because you guys were the ones that helped me get to where I am, you know? I mean, I'm not saying I'm like famous or whatever, but it'd be super cool if I ever one day became recognized, you know, like more. Anyways, I'm done. This is the finished thing. It's like it's pretty alright, I guess. It's nothing like crazy. Well, I guess it does look pretty crazy, but I don't know. It's something. I made it myself, and that makes me proud. Super short. I'm probably gonna make this video super short and edit out most of the things I said, but just wanted to give you guys a new video. Oh, that is so cute. Wow. Okay. Should I make this like shorter, like these things? Like, I don't know if they ruin it. No, they do not ruin it. Oh my god, I feel so cute. So obviously I'm gonna create makeup look using this like a next video. I would do right now, but I want to do my hair, like I want to straighten my hair. I love when I have my hair straightened, honestly. I don't know, I have pretty long hair, so whenever it's straightened, I feel like it makes my hair look a lot longer and more cute and silky, soft, you know. Also, I guess I'll show you guys the mirror that I made, I guess. I just stuck these cute little stickers around it. It's cute, like look, they're little bears and it's adorable. It's gonna help me for my future videos. I would like for you guys to suggest new video content for me, because sometimes I really don't know what to do, you know, like it takes a while for me to just feel the motivation to do something, and I really hate that about myself, honestly. So I just wanted to give you guys something for now while I create a makeup look with these cute ears. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, you guys cannot deny that this is adorable. Thanks so much if you support me and you're subscribed to my channel, because I get really happy when I see nice comments on my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you like my content, why am I like this? Yeah, if you like my content, just validation. I'm kidding, I don't need validation from anyone, but still support me. Also, you guys, I might be going blonde soon, so because I'm tired of having brown hair. I'm bored of it. I might bleach my eyebrows so that I could do new stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you really enjoyed my ear making process and my awkward talk. Anyways, yeah guys, bye. I'll see you guys soon.